All right, guys, what's up? So today I'm going to show you pretty much how to find good deals for your tools apart from going to Lowe's or Home Depot, right? Um, or maybe you go to Harbor Freight or whatever tool store you go to, right? If you want to find good deals, there's a couple sites for you. So I'm going to start off with Fasteners Inc. I'm not affiliated with these sites or any of these companies, right? I just found them on Instagram. I found them online or they're recommended. All right. This one has deals for like pack outs, DeWalt's, whatever brand. They don't really carry like any Home Depot brands. Their stuff is literally just actual name brand tools. So if you have a system with DeWalt, Makita, whatever, these guys have it. Um, every month or so, they have new deals. So go ahead and check them out. Go to their closeout. Sometimes they got cheaper stuff there, little drill bits, that sort of thing. There's another one called Toolnut. Toolnut pretty much has a little bit more. Well, it's honestly it's the same thing. The only thing they might have is just different deals. Uh, you know, it's pretty much it. That's the only difference. Sometimes one has one for the Makita, one for Milwaukee. It all depends on the time you check their site. Go ahead and give it a look. Maybe you'll find something. Right now, because we're pretty much over with winter, they have a lot of deals on the Milwaukee jackets, clothing, etc. Gloves as well, insulated gloves. They have that. Let me find a section where it says, top deals. All right. So here you got some deals going on. So if you want to check them out, go ahead. Now, I use this one the most. It's called Acme Tools. They seem to have better deals than the other sites. So this is the one I'm constantly on trying to see what I could get for cheap. So let's go to their top deals. Now, sometimes they have cheaper stuff than Home Depot. Sometimes Home Depot has actually better deals than these. But for the most part, this site has better deals than all of them. So give them a look out, see what you find. Who knows, right? You might find something that's good. Every once in a while, they have good deals, especially when it comes to the expensive batteries. Sometimes they'll have, well, like you buy a set and you get the same one for free. So that's pretty good to me. So give it a check out again. And then last but not least, we have this site. It's called Sick Deals. This one pretty much it scans the web from Home Depot to Lowe's to the actual companies that are selling them. Maybe they have them on their website, right? And they'll find the cheapest deal for you. So let me go ahead and refresh this. Maybe I have something going on. So here we have a deal of the wear tool bit. So it's like $60 from $10 less. You got your $200 mechanic set. You get it for $80, and it's Home Depot. So these are legit things going on. So give it a look out. So here we have this Milwaukee set, and like I said, they have good deals. So I actually picked this up right here. It's that same set, but it comes with something else. So for $50, right? So it went down from $100 to $50. It includes this for your pack out and these extra drilling bits. So let's go to check out Home Depot and see if it's true. Because again, you're buying them directly from the source. You're not, getting them from other people. So again, $50. It matches. It's legit. So, let me see what else. You got your rotary hammer, and this is the battery one. So it's $200. They sell it for $100, and this one's from Lowe's. So my point is, you're getting hooked up, right? You got this rigid deal right here. So you got your chop saw, your table saw, and your stand. So from 1,248 to 630, that's pretty good, right? Now they do rent out, so I would recommend if you are planning on buying something, like get it as soon as you see it. Keep a tab on your page, and just look at it and see if it's still going. So again, this deal is still going on, and honestly, this is a pretty good deal. These aren't the best chop saws and table saws, but honestly, for $6, after tax it'd probably be like 700. For $700, this is a good set, you know, and as long as you're not doing any super fine work, this is going to be good for you. So again, let's go to the tool page. So go ahead and give this out a look. I'm going to go ahead and put these links on the description. Again, I would recommend this one if you want to find the best deals. And this would be my second. And after that, these would pretty much be the same thing. I guess whatever you're more comfortable with. Maybe they have a deal for you on whatever system you're using. All right, guys. Catch you guys later.